Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to do the long sound of E. When the long sound of E comes, when we use double E. So, we will start reading with the smart pen.
Long sound of E.
Now, listen it carefully.
Eep words. W-E-P. Weep.
Weep, weep.
E words. B-E-B.
B. Now,
Eel words. Eel. Feel. Eel. Heel.
now eel sound is eel, heel.
Eat words. Eat. Feet.
Eat, feet.
Eat words. D. Eat. Heat.
Eat, heat. So now what you have to do, you have to use this pen and then you have to do the reading of this all families. Eep, eel, eat and eat family words. Okay, thank you.